Good day mga idol, no? For today's video mga idol, panoorin natin tong isang video ng babaeng pulis. Napakalupit at napakaganda ng boses mga idol. Ang video po na ito ay galing kay YouTube channel Norman A. Wellman III. Shout out sa ating mga masipag na kapulisan dyan at saludo ako sa inyo sir. At panoorin to natin mga idol. Let's go.
To have you in my life. When I look back on this day, I can see your face. You were right there for me.
Ang ganda ng boses ng ma'am mga idol.
Oh my God! Emotions all over, singing a song about the sky. My heart will always be your place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you, and everywhere I am, there you'll be.
Saya pa ni madam. Shout out again sa ating kapulisan dyan ha.
To feel the sky within my reach, and I always feel
Marami din lang talentadong DNP natin mga idol.
your love made me make it through. I owe so much to you. You were right there for me.
Congrats kay madam. Panalo ang boses niya mga idol.
Singing a song about the sky. And my heart will always be the place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere
Yes, ang ganda.
there you'll be. 'Cause I always thought
Lupit idol. Lupit ng boses ni madam. Napakaganda talaga.
and I wanna thank you now for all
May talent din to si madam.
you were right there for me. You were right there for me. For emotions all over, singing a song about the sky. In my heart will always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am, there you'll be. And everywhere I am, there you'll be. Mamaya kayo lahat sa akin.
Ayos mga idol, napakaganda yung boses ni madam. Shout out sa ating mga kapulisan dyan, mga magiting na pulis natin mga idol. Shout out sa inyo mga sir, madam. Thank you for watching mga idol. Comment down below mga idol kung papasok ba sa panlasa nyo mga idol ang boses ni madam. Thank you mga idol.